Sure, I'm sure the coming week he will be resting and looking all the videos that will be, all over the social media, and he will be like, wow, what a journey, what a journey, what a wow. Like he's been doing so much, man. For this week, he's been doing so much. But I wonder tomorrow it's a weekend, and I don't know what's gonna happen for him. But yeah, man, he's been doing so much. Anyway, watch these videos. I'm not gonna do the sound because how the thing works. But anyway, thank you for watching, and boom.